Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saga and today we will be seeing how to write hello world program in Go language. So for that what I do, I write package and then here I write main. This is a compulsory step, we have to write it in every program. Okay. After that what I'll do, I will import necessary preprocessors. So I write here import fmt. This is called format and it is a preprocessor. After that what I do, I create a function. Okay, so I write func and then here I write main. So I'm writing this, I'm writing my code inside the main function. So whatever the code we write in this function, it will called automatically. Okay, so I open the braces and here with the help of fmt I call print function. So here I write print ln. Okay, and then here I write hello world. Correct. Let's run it. We are getting some error. Okay, see, we are getting this message hello world as an output. Let's change this message. I write here hello geeks and let's check it whether we are getting it or not. Yeah, we are getting the same message what we have given here. Okay, so let's understand this procedure. So see, these are the 4 points which we have to follow in every program. So it contains the package main of the program which have overall content of the program. It is the initial point to run the program, so it's compulsory to write. It is compulsory to write package main. Okay, in every program we have to write it. Second, it contains import fmt. It is a preprocessor command which tells the compiler to include the files line in the package. So it is kind of package, right? So in C language what we write here, we write import, sorry, we write hash include studio.h, conio.h. Okay, so inside that package we have print function, printf function, output function, something like that we have it, right? So in this function we have, so in this package we have what? We have print ln function which we have used in the program. So we have to import all the packages, all the libraries which we want to include it. After that, we use main function. So it is the beginning of execution of the program. And then we have used fmt.println is a standard library function to print something as an output on the screen. Correct. So I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, do subscribe and share.